In this tutorial, we'll cover the steps to install Jaeger on macOS. Begin by searching for Jaeger download in your web browser and clicking on the official Jaeger download link. Jaeger components are available as executable binaries or Docker images. For this tutorial, we'll download the binary, but we'll explore how to use the Docker image in a later tutorial. The latest version is 1.56. After clicking on macOS, the Jaeger executable binary will start downloading. Once the download is complete, navigate to your terminal and locate the downloaded Jaeger binary in the Downloads directory. Create a folder with any name and move the tar file into it. Unpack the file and navigate to the extracted directory. Here, you'll find all Jaeger components downloaded as executables. Let's run the all-in-one component of Jaeger. If you encounter an error stating macOS cannot verify that this app is free from malware, go to the privacy settings and click Allow in response to the message. Execute Jaeger all-in-one again and click Open. Jaeger is now running on your local machine. The logs indicate that the server is started on port 16686 for running queries. You can now access the Jaeger UI from your web browser at localhost 16686. The Jaeger UI is now accessible. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.